I'm Allie, and today we're going to assemble the Polywood Shellback Adirondack. Before we get started, look over your packet and make sure your packet came with 2 arms, 1 back, 2 front legs, 1 seat. Make sure your hardware pack includes 2 1 3/4 inch bolts, 2 3/4 inch bolts, 6 2 1/4 inch bolts, 4 1.5 inch Phillips head screws, and 1 4mm T-handle hex key. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver that is not included in your hardware pack. In step 1, you will lay your seat assembly on its side and attach the front legs. Use 6 of your 2 1/4 inch bolts. Make sure to line up your bolts into the inserts of the seat before tightening with your drill. Perform the same process to attach the second leg. Next, we will attach the arms to the legs using 2 3/4 inch bolts. This will be a tight fit, so make sure you tighten by hand before using your T-handle hex key. Ready to attach the back to the seat assembly. Here's a tip. Take the back of the chair and position it underneath the arms so you can hold it with one hand. Once the back is in place, grab your 1.5 inch Phillips head screws and line them up with the pre-drilled holes. Make sure to tighten all 4 by hand before securing with your Phillips head screwdriver. Next, gently lift the arm to line up the 1 3/4 inch bolts into the inserts of the back assembly. Tighten both bolts by hand and then use your drill. And there you have it, your Polywood Shellback Adirondack, assembled and ready to use. If you have any more questions or need additional support, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing Polywood.